If your sales funnel isn't working, it's usually because of one of these three things. Your hook isn't grabbing attention, your story isn't connecting, or your offer isn't irresistible. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're about to learn how to fix all of that with just one tool. Most people struggle with building a successful funnel because it's complicated and requires too many tools. You've got to figure out how to connect your landing pages, email sequences, upsells, and don't get me started on writing copy that converts. The result? Overwhelm and a funnel that flops. First, let's fix your hook. A great hook grabs attention immediately. With this tool, you can quickly create high-converting landing pages that pull your audience in with templates designed to stop the scroll. Next, your story. This is how you build trust and connect emotionally. With built-in email automation, you can nurture your leads, share your story, and deliver the right message at the right time, without having to switch between multiple platforms. And finally, your offer. The key to an irresistible offer is presentation. This tool lets you build sales pages, add upsells, and integrate payment options easily, making your offer feel seamless and high value. No tech team required. The best part? You can do all this with Systeme.io, the all-in-one platform for building sales funnels, email marketing, automations, and even online courses. No need for multiple tools. It's affordable and designed for people who want results without the headache. Click the link below and check it out for yourself.